guys, just me here. I'm going to show you another quick video about how to access Flipgrid. So for the next activity, the health activity that we're saying to start at 10, I've provided you guys all a link that you'll click on, and then you'll see something similar to this. I'm just going to move me out of the way. Okay, and you're going to enter the grid password, which I told you before is capital J Johnson 1. Oops, can't type. J Johnson 123. Okay, so then it'll take you to that health activity, and the health activity today is just answering the question with a video. What is something you've been doing over the past few weeks that makes you happy? Is it a daily walk, learning a new skill, FaceTiming with your grandparents? Just please record a video and share with the class. So you just press plus, and then it will pull up how to log in. So you guys will log in with Microsoft. So you should be able to log in with your school login. So I'll use Tom as an example. He would do, I think it's biot@calgary.academy. Okay, and then you'll just allow all the cameras. Okay, and it seems to be being weird. Try it again. Okay, doesn't seem to want to work right now. But anyways, but yes, and then you can record a video. You can add like cool emojis and stuff. And then once there's more than one video on here, you guys can click on each other's and make comments or whatever you would like, just to see kind of what other people have been doing that makes them happy and is keeping them busy during this very strange time. Okay, thanks guys. Talk soon.